Turn your skid steer into a compact dozer. Grouser Products Skid Steer Dozer Blade is built tough. It's the perfect blade for the most rugged and demanding jobs your skid steer will encounter. Built for all skid steer loaders, the cast design is exceptionally strong and aesthetically pleasing. The cast design also provides a full-width safety step, helping the operator get in and out of the skid steer safely. And it provides a cavity to protect the electric diverter valve, placing it closer to the cylinders, making hose routing neat and efficient. The Dozer blade features a flush-mounted reversible 6-inch cutting edge that is 5/8 inches thick, and the cast mold board design has a thicker wear area, keeping the blade always performing at its best. Grouser Products Skid Steer Dozer Blade has adjustable skid shoes, standard on all blades, allowing vertical and horizontal adjustment. The Skid Steer Dozer Blade is designed to meet SAE female skid steer attachment specifications. Like all Dozer blades from Grouser, the Skid Steer Dozer Blade features hydraulic angle and tilt control with 30-degree angle capability left or right, and 10 degrees of tilt. Cast mold boards that are 24 inches high. Blade widths ranging from 6 to 9 feet. And the Skid Steer Dozer Blade is available for all rubber-tired and tracked loaders. Better yet, it arrives to you fully assembled and weighs between 1,400 and 1,500 pounds. If you're looking for a blade that meets your demands in the field, goes on in seconds, and is built to last for years, don't let the size fool you. Powerful things come in small packages. A Skid Steer Dozer Blade from Grouser is your best bet. Check it out today.